We know the issue of dog foulings and irresponsible dog owners is a significant one across the county, and that is why at our first Cabinet meeting since the local elections, Cabinet have unanimously agreed to implement new and tougher enforcement measures to tackle the issue, delivering on one of our key commitments. Once introduced, the new measures will include fines for irresponsible dog owners who don't carry bags, and anyone found not clearing up after their dogs will face an increased fine of £100. We recognise that introducing new measures is one thing, but they also need to be enforced if they are going to have any effect. And that is why the Cabinet have also agreed to recruit extra enforcement officers, alongside the introduction of tougher measures. Further details about the new measures will be announced soon, and an awareness raising campaign will run prior to the changes coming into effect. But the message is simple: the Council will not tolerate irresponsible dog owners, and we will sort it out.